From our friends at Stamperia in Hungary, we do shop the world for you. We have this 8x8 papers called Pink Christmas. So let me show you. Now, it's padded on the side, and so you just open them up like so. But what's nice is that you're also going to get a beautiful paper here. And then look at this, look at these cutouts, just absolutely gorgeous. Very nostalgic look and just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. That's all I can say, just gorgeous and gorgeous. And then on the back side of these, you have another one that's plainer. So if you decide that you need to use that, you've got that option. And they do that with every single thing. So when they give you a cutout, you have a backside that's a little bit plainer. This is an 8x8 sheet, just absolutely stunning with that countryside view right there. There you go. And you can see how all the papers have this very mottled look and very beautiful look. And the circles are gorgeous. And again, this is an 8x8 sheet, so you can see these are a little over 2 inches each, and just lovely. And on the back side, what are you going to get? Oh, by the way, all the words are in English, even though this comes from another country. And we do have Merry Christmas. We have one Happy Christmas greetings. Just lovely. And on the back side there is a wood grain. And then we have this. Oh, isn't that just beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous. I keep saying that, but you're going to be hearing it because we have about 6 different packages from them. Now these are larger, so they're a little under 4 inches square. And the back side is going to be plainer, as you can see. There you go. Then we have another. There's that very vintage Santa and the reindeer, and beautiful artwork around it. And then on the back side, an all-over pattern. Now, Stamperia loves to put these envelopes, and just in case you don't know, you're just going to trim them out, as you will all of the cutouts on this page. And the way that you think about it is you want to bring the sides in, the bottom up, and the top down. So the top will be the one with the words on it, okay? On the back side of this, there's yet another envelope. Well, actually, it's the inside of the envelope. So there you go. And again, plainer imagery for the back side. Isn't that lovely? Just so pretty. And an all-over pattern. Then we have a Christmas candle, bird, and flowers, and that same imagery that we had before, an all-over pattern, and some tags. So you can see that you really get a lot of cutouts with each of these packs. And we've got wood grain in 2 colors, and then just the back of it. Now, let me pull out one of these. Yeah, I'll just do this one. We've added, or we have some pink flowers that I think just work beautifully in the colors. And let me give you the item number on this. It is 4015395. So if you're interested in that, we do have a limited supply, but then we do have a limited supply of the Pink Christmas also. So I think they make a very beautiful package.